out. By throwing 1% out of train, a country can get independence. That is Mahatma Gandhi for you. Narendra wanted to go and tell a teacher, who is this guy sitting under a palm tree telling wisdom? I will go and make a fun. He goes and questions everything. For every question there is a profound answer coming. He realized that you are not an ordinary person, your wisdom should be spread across countries. He just forwards the wisdom of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Narendra becomes Swami Vivekananda. To all of you, you know it. In Chicago of parliamentaries, when one person said, come and speak, he said, later I will come. And after some time, sir, please come and speak. Later I will come. 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 There is no later left. Everybody over. He prepares his speech. And he fears. He goes and forgets the speech. He gives a natural thoughts, whatever you are coming. Hello to my dear brothers and sisters of India. That prepared speech is not remembered. Naturally communicated speech is remembered. To all the 250 plus students, I wish, I see, it's a very wrong sentence, I hope you understand. Maybe there is another Abdul Kalam sitting in this class. Maybe there is another greatest cricketer sitting in class. Maybe you are someone world is waiting for you to clap at it. In your class there are such people who makes it happen, who balances both sports and everything. Before I close the session, if anybody is interested, you can log on to YouTube in case if you have mobiles. When you have mobiles, if you do not have mobiles, that's good, right? Facebook and Instagrams and WhatsApps, you should know when to use it, you should know when not to use it. Otherwise, social media will control us. We should control social medias. You can go to it, you can know more about this, but this session is incomplete if I do not show my gratitude towards few people. My father always taught me, never ever forget the person who gave us a glass of water when we are thirsty. If I am here, all the way from Hyderabad taking a session, first, thank you Prashant, you are very, very dear to me, right, for calling me. And most importantly, the family who created Anil Nair, my family of teachers, till my last breath, if there is one people apart from my parents, whom I touch the feet, that is each one of you, sir. Thank you. Ramakant Achrekar was never a better cricketer than Sachin Tendulkar, but it was the belief of Ramakant Achrekar that made Sachin Tendulkar get into the world map. Right? I think you are the cause and the effect. My signature right now is excited to be a teacher. That's something which I write it because my superstars have always been teachers. In school days, in college days, my superstars next came cricketers. But first has been. Thank you, thanks a lot. I think most important person, our point of contact. Sir, I request you to stand, sir. I think students should know the kind of hard work that you are putting in. If we career launcher team, right, are here and spending time, it has been a very, very difficult thing. Morning 2:30 waking up, taking a flight at 5 o'clock and going back at. Thanks a lot, sir. We are always there for the good of the students. This is not the way my kids will clap. Clap again. Clap again. Anything we do it with best, otherwise do not do it. Ajay, I do not want you to give the feedback forms. In every row, one student will stand, they will give the feedback forms, they'll collect the feedback forms, entire process will get over in, not in 10 seconds, it cannot be, Danika, right? Right. I remember all my 30,391 student names, right? So I think all student coordinators, do we have class leaders like that?
The one who is sitting on the house can come forward.
Right. Please come, stand, sir. Danika will stand, right? She will make the row happen in less than 10 seconds. Right. Stand.
The one in this column.